So I'm pulling off the exhaust manifold on the Caddy to check the gasket. And I pulled it off, and no cracks on the manifold or anything, all that looks good. But there's no gasket here. And I'm like, okay, the gasket's on the engine. And I look, there's no gasket at all anywhere. It either completely disintegrated over the years. Like, I'm looking for pieces of it that fell down. There's nothing. Like, I just took it off. There is no gasket. So that might explain why there was a little bit of an exhaust leak, I guess.